Hey there, so here is this app called Stationhead. So let's just take a look. It's getting more and more traction. Um, so yeah, you can just go and install it. It's available on iOS. Stationhead is the place for music fans around the world to connect, listen live, and stream together. Find your community, listen to your favorite artists, and drive streams with a community of fans from around the world. Chat requests, call in live from anywhere on the planet, join live moments with your favorite artist. So the idea of this app is that you can try to be like a global DJ without like many funds, and you can access a large audience and large community. So like start a global station in seconds, take the mic, play what you want, reach anyone, build your community. So yeah, that's the idea. Of course, you can just, use Spotify app and upload your tracks to Spotify. But here it's more like DJ oriented, and you can create your mixes and go live on this app. And there is like a very dedicated community of people, who might notice you, where you might get some traction and some audience building and some community. Then here you need to connect your premium streaming service, either Apple Music or Spotify. That's only the idea. You can only use a premium service of Spotify or Apple Music paid version, because in this app, how it works, you just have all these tracks in Spotify and then you create mixes with them in Stationhead. So you need to have like a paid version. And then this is how it looks like. You just have all these mixes. So people are just playing this, and then yeah, that's the idea. And then you just have all of these stations, and you can create one yourself, and then you can see the weekly leaderboard, and then you can see some like like famous artists here who are verified, and yeah, it's pretty cool idea. And then you have your account. You can just tap go on air, and then start a new show and start your DJ mix. And then you have also schedule show. You can schedule your show, people can chat with you. Then there are settings, there is your account. If you don't like, you can delete your account, you can reconnect. Spotify here. Then there is a subscription, Stationhead Plus, $3 per month. Send animated GIFs in the chat and in threads when you subscribe. So there's not that much to subscription here, so you just decide what you want. But yep, the idea is that you just start your own station, you start remixing tracks using like Spotify, Apple Music, and you then just want to go high in leaderboard. Just see from here. And yep, that's the idea. So try it out.